guys, hello. In this video I'm going to show you how to get back dislikes, the dislike buttons, cuz I don't know why YouTube removed them, but like yeah. So just a little, I'm just going to show you that it does work. So I'm going to go to random. Let's go to Beluga, I guess. Alright, so as you can see 1.5 thousand, and it obviously shows. And yeah, that's proof that it does work. So I'm gonna show you how to use it. Of course, it's right here, it's an extension. And yeah. So first, go to the web store. Then search, let's see, I don't know the name. Return, YouTube dislikes. I'll just search that. Set it, count and ratio. I don't know if those other things work, but I think it's right. I think it's this one. No, it's not. Wait, I think it is. I think it was. Hold on. It'll be a link of description if you want to get it faster. So you don't have to go. Okay, it's right here. So I think I already have it. So it'll be a link in description. I don't think this is it though. Yeah, this is definitely not it. Okay, but anyways, it'll be a link in description. So yeah. So you don't have to keep looking for it, but yeah, that's how you get back the dislikes. Cause I don't know what's the point of knowing what the dislikes is, but let's watch the Stokes twins. And boom, 7.2 thousand. So yeah, that's how you find the dislikes. So yeah, goodbye everyone.